Why am I so awkward? When you're by yourself and you're doing whatever you're doing, it's so easy to do it how you want to do it. And then you turn on a camera and suddenly you don't know how to act anymore. Does that make sense? I'm just so aware on a regular basis that I'm being observed, and then to put a camera, which is like extra physical confirmation that you're being observed. Hi, I'm PHOENYX. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been wanting to revive. I'm also so used to looking there, so I'm looking like right at you, which is probably terrifying for you guys. I've been wanting to revive this YouTube channel for a really long time, and truth be told, perfectionism just got in the way, but it was also a lot of like divine timing. So we're here, we're back, we're doing it. I'm very excited. I'm very nervous. I didn't anticipate being this nervous, but I'm sure that in the process of this video, my nerves will go away, because I still create all kinds of content on social media, so I'm used to being in front of the camera all the time. It's just the fact that I know that I'm doing this long form, horizontal. Who's used to filming horizontally anymore? So today, we're gonna be baking a chocolate chip banana bread. And yes, I'm a chatty Cathy, so if you don't like a video where you actually get to connect with the person who's creating the content and hear a little bit about their story, and you don't like a host who rambles, you might want to click go right now. I'm probably not for you. If you are the kind of person that wants to chill and chat and get to know me as I quasi get to know you, then stick around. Welcome. If you want to know just a little bit about me, I am an artist and a vocalist, a dancer. I'm also a massive foodie. I'm Italian. Just turned 34 years old, and my main objective in this life is to be myself. But really it's about supporting all individuals to overcome all of these limiting beliefs and these programs that literally live in our bodies now that hold us back from being our authentic selves, from being in our bigness, from being in our fullest expression. And the reason why I'm so passionate about that is because even if you don't feel like you're meant to be a healer or you're meant to be a coach or a therapist, when we get to a point where we feel so comfortable in our own bodies and our own minds and our own hearts that we're really uninhibited in our expression, that in and of itself creates impact. And it is a permission slip to everyone who gets to meet us or encounter us that they get to do the same. And so whether you end up being a YouTuber or an artist or an accountant, you showing up in this unapologetic way is pure medicine. So that's my long-winded intro. Thanks for sticking around. Shake it out. I need to shake it out. We're making chocolate chip banana bread today. I've never tried this recipe before. I think it's gonna be amazing. My gut tells me it is the one, but we're kind of just gonna test it out together, and I think it's gonna go really well. So to start, you're gonna preheat your oven to 325 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and mash with a fork 3 ripe bananas. Do not do this with underripe bananas. It will not be the same. The texture will be off, and the flavor will be not good either, because the banana will not be sweet enough. It ain't gonna taste right. Don't do that to yourself. We're taking a very sophisticated utensil now. I'm so sorry to intimidate you, but we're gonna be using a fork to mash our bananas.
It's a dingle hopper.
Do you need to see this? Maybe you do. Let's give you a view. I am not demure. I will not sit here and lie to you. I think even just watching 40 seconds of this video, you should know that I am not demure. Aggressive, fiery, sassy, loud? Yes. Demure? No. Grab another bowl, and we're adding in half a cup of sugar. I'm using organic sugar. Ew. Apparently it wasn't recording, so I added half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white organic sugar, and half a cup of melted butter, unsalted. And I'm just whisking the shit out of this. I've been whisking for like maybe 3 minutes already for it to get to this texture. Now we're gonna go ahead and add back in those mashed bananas. 2 eggs. That was aggressive. Did you see that juice explode? teaspoon of good vanilla. Do it measuring with my heart. That's the only way to do it. Then I'm gonna add in half a cup of Greek yogurt. This is not Greek yogurt. It's a weird concoction that I made. So I'll let you know at the end of this if you should follow the weird concoction that I made or just stick to adding Greek yogurt. Mix this all together. And you could use a whisk here if you like your banana bread to be really uniform, but I want some banana chunks to still be present, so I'm gonna use a spatula instead. All right. Next it says to add all your dry ingredients together in a separate bowl, but I'm not really one to follow the rules and I'm not about to start now. So I'm just adding 1.3 cups of flour directly into the bowl, because YOLO, baby. This is a teaspoon of salt. So again, I'm gonna measure with my heart. I like my baked goods to have more salt in them than is recommended. So you do you, BB. Last but not least, a teaspoon of baking soda. And mix. So I know that there's still unincorporated flour, but I'm gonna add in the chocolate chips and I don't wanna overmix this. So I'm gonna pause there. It says 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. I once again am going to measure with my heart. And again, because I don't want to overmix this, I'm gonna like fold more so than aggressively stirring. And there is our batter. I'm just a girl. I could not, for the life of me, wrap my head around baking with my hair down. So welcome back to Jenna's Ratchet Salon. I am going to go prep 2 of these baking tins. I ideally like to use obviously like a loaf tin, but for the life of me I can't find ours, and my mom really loves banana bread with nuts in it, so I'm going to split the batter in half and put one with just chocolate chips, one with chocolate chips and nuts, so that she gets the experience that she deserves. You know what I mean? I'll be right back. Is the parchment paper already not cooperating? Yes. Wow, how did you know? Everything's going perfectly. Yeah. I don't have a worry in the world. Yeah. Just a bit more. There's the chocolate chip one. We're gonna pop it in the oven. I know I dropped one. Show your face! There you are. I love pecans so much, but I hate nuts in my baked goods. It's a no for me, dog. I have roughly chopped the pecans. In they go. And some of them went on the floor. Cool. More snacks for me. And here's my mama's. All right, we're gonna go ahead and bake that chip for an hour, depending on your oven. Please check it along the way. I would say check it at like 50 minutes and then go in increments from there. Could take all the way up to an hour and 15 minutes. We'll see. I think my mom's is obviously gonna bake faster because it's smaller and shallower. Shallower word? I'll keep you posted. All right, here she is. Oh, whoa. She's so beautiful. Whoa, I just got so lightheaded. Oh, I'm having vertigo. I'm okay, we're okay. She smells beautiful. I actually feel like she lost a little height. She's been out of the oven for like maybe an hour and a half, and she's still very warm. And here's the one I made for my mama. She tried some already. She said she really liked it. Her exact words were very banana-y. The recipe says leave it to cool in the tray for at least an hour. Ooh, there's your cross section, baby. Oh, she's beauty, she is grace. There's a loaf. That is so moist. Wow. I also was pretty heavy-handed with the chocolate chips, but what's banana bread without chocolate chips in it? You know what I'm saying? Wow. I'm sure this would be just as tasty with Greek yogurt, but that's not what I did. If you are someone who, oh, this is so good. Wow. The top has like a really nice crunch to it as well, like a nice crust, and the inside is just so moist. It's not underbaked. It's so good. If you're feeling a little adventurous, this is what I did. I had some oat milk yogurt, tiny little bit of cooking cream left over, and some cream cheese in the fridge. So I mixed all 3 of those together to replicate a Greek yogurt / sour cream, because it does say in the recipe that you can interchange half a cup of sour cream or half a cup of Greek yogurt. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a hybrid, and it's forking delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I will be making a lot more food content. I'm gonna be posting a variety of videos about all the things that really light me up. When I first made this channel back in, I think it was 2015, the entire tagline for this channel was making videos about everything I'm passionate about. And then I went through a massive spiritual awakening, and my priority, my focus for, I would say, the last 6 years has been my healing and remembering who I truly am, expanding my concept of self, and coming home to my soul. And I feel like I'm going through like a full circle moment, that now I feel like I have the time and the spaciousness in not only my body but my psyche to come back to all the things that really make me me. And what I mean by that is this current vessel that I'm inhabiting and the things that really light her up. And a lot of those things are food and art and dancing and singing and sharing ideas and talking and creating community and a dialogue and an opportunity and a safe space for us to expand together. I'll be sharing all kinds of videos on my crazy spiritual experiences, my downloads, my highlights. I was a digital nomad for like 2.5 years, and I had the craziest experiences during that time because I didn't have a plan other than listening to my intuition and tuning into spirit through my meditations and making decisions from there. And I could write books on books and make movies on movies of the things that I experienced. So I'm really excited to come back to this space and to reconnect with this creative part of myself. And I'm really excited to connect with you guys again and build a community of really awesome souls that feel nurtured by each other's presence. Please let me know in the comment section below if you end up trying out this recipe. And either way, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day wherever you are. Sending you so much love. Bye. Is that creepy? Why would anyone want to put nuts in that? Why? It's so good without. Oh, it came out so good. It's not terrible, but I much prefer the one without. A little blessed life, man. This is what I get to do with some of my time. Bake delicious things. Oh, you know what goes best with hot banana bread? Butter. Salted butter. Because I am nothing if I am not a food critic. Okay? I have a Capricorn stellium. Do you know what that means? Quality. And number 1. And for the 5th time, I'm Italian. I'm Italian and I'm from the South. And I have 2 parents that are Capricorns and a brother who's a Capricorn rising. So we don't eat just anything. We only eat the best of the best. You're welcome. Did I put too much chocolate chips? Mind your own business.